harmonic minor of G sharp minor, there's a few changes we need to make. First of all, we need to change the note. We're going to raise the 7th note. Since it's already an F sharp, we're going to turn this into an F double sharp. So F double sharp. And then we need to change the fingering in the left hand now that we're going to have 2 white keys here. So the left hand starts with 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to change it to 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. So here's harmonic minor, both hands. For melodic minor, we're going to raise the 6th note as well, so we'll need an E sharp. So we have an E sharp and an F double sharp. We're going to keep this same fingering going up, but then when we come down the natural minor, we're going to switch back to our natural minor fingering in the left hand. For the chord progression, we will use harmonic minor notes.